Ethan's green, you'll know Ethan's connected the pill to the Pokova. And the entity has been infected with Luther's algorithm.
Okay, then what?
Then, you're gonna cut that red wire and let the entity in. All we need now is for Ethan to get that pill.
He'll figure it out.
Remember, we'll figure out to go to school tomorrow. So we'll figure out next week. We'll figure out to go to my sister's show until Sunday, May 24th. So we'll figure out to go to school. We'll figure out to go to the beach in Texas. We'll figure out to go to Ohio with an airplane from Houston, Texas to Ohio this summer season, like last year. I know, but we have an airplane. We'll figure out to go to for first day of school. We'll figure out to go to Ohio. We'll figure out to go. We will absolutely go to the beach in Texas. We'll figure out to go to the beach house in Texas. We have a beach house in Venice, Italy. So we have an airplane in by clouds in Texas. It's Southwest Airline or United Airline or American Airline or Frontier Airline or American Airline is two flag carriers of the United States, and Emirates Airline is two flag carriers in Dubai International Airport. So I do love Emirates. Emirates is the best. Emirates, the national airline. So, we have an airplane in the clouds in Texas. We'll figure out to go to Dubai probably someday. We'll figure out to go to India maybe someday. We'll figure out to go to Japan. We will figure out to go to the pool this weekend before last day of the school year, before summer season break. That's So Funny by Gail says Mission Impossible, the movie, is funny. So we'll figure out to go to Ohio, to go to Cedar Point in Ohio. We'll figure out. That's So Funny by Gail says.